Hi guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. I thank God for the grace. And today's video I'm going to be doing a short and sweet video hopefully on my seed and grow kit. This is going to be, some of this stuff's going to be in my inch bag. Okay guys and girls, so basically I've got a selection of seeds here plus one of these little grow bags over here, and this stuff down here is just how I put all my kit together. Okay, except for the blue bags. But I'll show you these little bags after I've showed you the seeds. And I'm going to start off over here. These are some tomato mix right here. You get 5 packets of tomatoes in America, but here we call them tomatoes. And then we got a salad bowl here with various different things like watercress, spring onion, horseradish, and stuff like lettuce. Over here, this one right here, this is runner beans. Okay, I do like my runner beans, easy to grow. And basically down here got some onions and spring onions, parsnip. Here I've got some beetroot right here. Right here I've got some leeks. Here's the courgettes. Right here I've got some Brussels sprouts, some sweet peppers, red and green. Rocket salad right there. I do like my rocket in the salad to go with the salad bowl right there. Got here, there's some selection of cauliflower, some iceberg lettuce right here. This one here is cabbage, and then broccoli here. So basically what I do is, coming to that time of year, we're going to be doing our planting, getting ready to plant our seeds. So basically I start buying lots of seeds, and always remember to check your dates. And what I do is I rotate the dates, and soon I'm going to be starting going in my garden and planting some seeds. God willing, I'll show you that. Okay guys and girls, so that's the selection of seeds I've got here. Speaking of seeds, everywhere I travel, when I travel to places, I always collect seeds. I've got here loads of seeds of trees, different plants, flowers. There's all sorts in there. I really wish I labelled them with the plants and the trees and the vegetables that they are. But anyway, I collect seeds. Always good to collect seeds everywhere I travel, wherever I travel around the world. If I travel around the world, I get seeds. Okay, so that's a little seed kit right in there. Okay, but this is for my inch bag. And what I do, you get yourself some Gillett 3-piece waterproof pouch set right there. And basically what I do is you get a small one. The medium one, I'm using it in one of my bug out bags, so I can't show you the medium one. And then you've got a large one right here as well. Okay guys, so this is what I put the seed kit in right here in this bag here. So this would be my seed bag kit. Okay, right, the vegetable grow bags, basically if you haven't got a lot of space in your house, or you're in a flat, or you're in an apartment, or you've got a small house, basically these bags are ideal for patios, greenhouses, sheds, small spaces. It's got drainage holes, approximately 100 by 40 by 23 centimeters approximately. These are fantastic. You put your soil in them. If you haven't got a lot of space, you just grow your vegetables in this. You can grow carrots, Brussels sprouts, and other different bits and bobs. Okay, these are just some other bags that I can put soil in and also grow stuff in these grow bags. These are different type of grow bags. Right guys and girls, so what I'll do, I'll start putting everything in here quickly and show you guys how I put my kit. Okay, you put the grow bag in there, fits in there. So you've got your grow bag that goes in the bag first. Okay, because what, you know, if we're bugging out, you know, you might want to just have a little grow bag and keep your stuff tidy in the same area where you're camping, or you might want to hide it somewhere in the bushes, or hide it somewhere in another area where no one knows where it is. Okay guys, so basically you take all your seed packets now and you whack them away in this bag. Just bear with me guys. Alright, okay, just bear with me. Packing them away nicely now. Just get all my seeds, collect them all up like that, put them in there. Excuse my head if you saw that. Alright guys, so there's the last lot of the seeds. You whack them in here. Okay guys and girls, so this comes with like a kind of velcro here, and a velcro on this side as well, right here. So basically what you do is you fold him over, you fold them double over like that, okay, and then you fold the last one over. Now that's sealed at the top there now, okay guys and girls. So basically there's my grow kit, seed kit, growing kit for my inch bag. Alright, it's quite a lot in there, but you know, food is going to become a very valuable thing in the future, and it's good to have your own seeds, okay guys and girls. So what I do with this bag, okay, like I said, you've got a small one, you can make yourself a small little kit. Okay, I should have done a little small one just to show you, but anyway, it doesn't matter. You can just get some little packets of seeds and just stash them in here. This is waterproof, and you can put it in another bag just in case. You want to make sure it's sealed. Like I said, the 3-piece skillet pouch set, really good piece of kit. Then you get yourself another bag, okay, and whack all this in as well. And okay guys and girls, just bear with me a second, and that way it's double wrapped and it's going to protect your stuff. Alright guys and girls, right, so that is my seed kit in a bag, ready to go. And there we have it guys and girls. Thanks for watching the video. God bless you all. Like, share, subscribe. If you want to leave any comments or you want to make a video and send me a link so I can see what kind of stuff you got. And this is basically my seed growing kit. Thanks very much for watching the video. God bless you. Be careful out there. And you're in my prayers. Please pray for me. Like I said, leave a comment down below. Like, share, subscribe if you like. And God willing, I hope to see you all in the next video. Okay? This is my seed growing kit. God bless you all. See you soon.